Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix runtime error in Windows 11, but please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. First thing you can do is to update your Windows 11. Now to check that, go to search button and just type in check for updates. From here, you can be able to see if there are any latest version that you should update. Now, if that doesn't work, then all you have to do is type in run or Windows plus R and then type in msconfig. Now you have to click on services and click on the hide all Microsoft services and disable all, then click OK. Next thing you can do is to go to Task Manager and make sure that you update your graphics driver by clicking on the display adapters and right click on your driver. Next, if that doesn't work, then all you have to do is go to command prompt and click run as administrator. You have to type in the command sfc/scan now and hit enter. It will automatically scan the error and they will also fix that as well. So I hope this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.